Salamat! For the same catching son. Absolutely.
You know what daddy said?
You know what, Daddy?
You know what daddy? Hold on to it. This is your true child. This is how we treat his first child.
Welcome back all viewers, all subscribers, you know the style. You see me, so subscribe if you're new and watch a prayer now. I could jump in it like this. So the ground Godzilla, which is Bounty Killer, that rhyme though. Yeah man, him cap 2 machine, you see me. Not really say 2 machine, but this time second Benz so far with me know of, you see me, cause him would have a white one for me to see. You see me, and that one is sexy too, you know, that carry mad, you know, it look good and thing, you see me, look very nice, you see me, so big up yourself, Godzilla, you know, the style, you see me, yeah man. Yeah man, and you see the Pearl Dog and the Dovey Magnum fight thing, you see me, it's just a video I see on the media differently, you see me, but it connect man, you see me, so differently still, World Dog, you see me. And I did have a look at beef I go on, but I see that video and I say, yo, this smart, you see me.
You know, she said that a bad girl they are pretty and rough, me no afraid of no woman. Run up in a gal face,
Hero, I'm never shoot you, but you. Cars is.
Macaroni's edits.
A baiting the editor boy they go on with, you know, you see me, but people, you know, say Michael Jackson get him, Jamaica Ghetto Jackson get him first feature with Moyan. You see me, if you don't know Moyan, she and Jamil do a first collab, you see me. Differently, she and DJ do a collab also, you see me, and Sierra, you can look on her, you see me. Yeah, man. Yeah, she kinda get a look at notice quicker than fast, cause she have a distinctive look said way, you see me. Cute girl and thing, man. But Jacko, we are talking about differently. The man thing I shoot to the star and even a month good since the man get a look of notice from the crowd. You see me? Yeah. The thing I go on good so far, man. I hit it connect. Yeah, I hit man guys. So look you know, Twinman official bring Rose. Go shopping and all these good things. You see me? I rate where him do still, you see me?
Let me see.
Oh, yo, tear no, my friend. Rose in here, no, man. Supermarket time, here. We don't no one ducks. You see? Rose, big up yourself on the life, no, man. Say you got it. Come on! No jokes about it. Alright? Yo, get the Charlie. Just take up anything you want here. Alright. Hey, Charlie then. Rose, I control the Charlie.
Okay, the mango, yeah.
Give me one of them, Charlie.
Mango, yeah.
One of them. Hey, Rose. Come, take up anything you want. Come on. Come on, man, how much are them on? Supermarket today, people, we're not on joke. Sorry, miss. Alright, yeah. Oh, I didn't know, miss. Sorry about that, yeah. Yes, sir, brother. You don't know what I expect. Come on, anyways. Pick up. Come on. Come on. Hold them on. Carry Charlie, come. Mixed vegetable. You want mixed vegetable too? Yeah. We eat again. You want sardine too? Yeah. Eat sardine. Come on. You know what talk about it? Ketchup. Tea. Milo tea? Yeah. I take up 3 pack of them. Turn the camera up on Roost because people might see it. Push Italian, come on. See cornflakes, man. You have frosted flakes, you have cornflakes. Which one of them? Take up 3 of them. Rose not laughing, man. Jesus Christ. Hot, daddy. Morgan, flour and rice. Come, go on nothing. I want cooking oil too. You know how much banana rice that, Rose?
2 pounds.
How much banana rice is that?
2 pounds.
2 pounds?
Yeah.
Alright, go on. Take up the 3 pounds.
It's from
See, put back this one. See, big one up this one. Take up this. Nice, and flour. See flour this one. And you want sugar too. Where your phone, Rose? Where your phone?
me.
Where you feel for? Come take up. What is that? Don't left your phone. Cornmeal. You want cornmeal too? You want cornmeal? G must big up yourself, you know, bro, glad. See cornmeal, Rose, up. And you want salt too. Alright. Not for beefy. Yeah, me, my teacher. Rose. Cooking oil. You want cooking oil too? Go on. Go on. Anything you want, you just take up right also. Anything. Hey, Vani and easy, you know what? Daddy. Rose, people in Panela have a big up and I say big up yourself, people. Big up yourself.
Myself.
Not for yourself, big up people. Give me a people. I want seasoning. Butter, you want butter?
Yeah.
Go on. Seasoning. You want them? Where you drink? You quench it? No, son, I want to quench it. Go on, Rose, I push Charlie anything I say of it up. Rose, I bung the people in. Yeah, eh? See them? Some right there.
No.
Which one of them I want?
Six-pack.
All purpose?
Yeah. Don't beer no, you know.
Eh? Which phone? I'll live me up on my friend. I'm tell my friend. I'm tell you. Go on.
This actually don't have no beer. Six-pack beer. Beer. Six. The one with 6.
Hindu, big up yourself in the hard. You eat snacks to Rose? Yo, go on, see soup. Go on yourself. Because you beard. Soup, go on. Soup, go on, take up the soap. Man.